And we now begin the bulletin with exciting news about Vietnam's preparations for the upcoming Southeast Asian Games.
Yes, and in just 6 days, the 33rd Southeast Asian Games will be held in Thailand. On Friday afternoon, Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh attended the send-off ceremony for the Vietnamese sports delegation ahead of the competition.
At the 33rd SEA Games, more than 1,100 members of the Vietnamese sports delegation are heading to Thailand, with the nation setting its sights on finishing among the top-performing countries. With the presence of Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh at today's send-off ceremony, the athletes are now ready to compete and bring home prestigious medals for the nation. Speaking at the send-off ceremony, Prime Minister Pham Minh Chinh emphasized the support that the party and the state has given to sports, as well as the achievements that Vietnamese sports have attained over the years, particularly at the SEA Games.
Each of your medals represents joy, happiness, and pride for the nation and for every Vietnamese citizen. The first goal is to achieve the highest possible results, but at the same time, there is a greater mission to carry. It is about unity, learning from one another, and fostering exchange within the ASEAN family with a noble, impartial, and pure spirit of sportsmanship, giving your all in every competition.
In response to the Prime Minister's spirit, the Pencastilat team has set a very high determination to defend the 2 gold medals attained in the previous 2 SEA Games.
The Pencastilat team's goal is to win 2 gold medals at the 33rd SEA Games. Currently, the athletes are fired up after the send-off ceremony.
I will strive to defend my gold medal. I hope that my family and friends will continue to support and encourage me to achieve the best possible results.
The Vietnamese sports delegation is participating in the 33rd SEA Games with 841 athletes competing in 47 sports and events. The country has set a goal of winning between 91 and 110 gold medals, aiming to maintain its position among the top teams overall at this year's SEA Games.